In this video, I'll show you how to use Phantom Wallet. This is a beginner's step-by-step guide, and I'm going to make it as easy as possible for you. And later on in this tutorial, I will show you the best website for beginners to buy Solana from so they can start trading with their Phantom Wallet today. I've used Phantom Wallet for some time now, and I will show you the easiest way to use Phantom Wallet from my experience. So what is Phantom Wallet? Phantom Wallet is a browser-based wallet that supports the Solana chain as well as other chains now. Phantom Wallet allows you to store all of your Solana safely, and the wallet also supports memecoins, NFTs, and the ability to swap tokens on decentralized exchanges. Downloading the Phantom Wallet is as easy as could be. Go to phantom.app, and I'll make sure to link that in the description of this video. Click download in the top right-hand corner, and choose which browser or device that you'll be using it on. It is available for desktop as well as mobile devices. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome. It'll bring you to the Chrome web store, and this is where you'll add the extension. Once the Phantom Wallet extension is added, this window will pop up, and this is where you'll create your new wallet. Now, this is important to keep in mind. Set a secure password and make sure to write it down somewhere that you won't forget. You'll need to use this password that you're creating right now to sign into Phantom Wallet each time you want to check your wallet or you want to trade. Once you've come up with a strong password, click agree to the terms of service and continue. Right here will be your secret recovery phrase, or sometimes known as your seed phrase. You will also need to write these words down or take a screenshot of it and make sure to never share it with anyone. If someone has your secret recovery phrase, they have access to your wallet and everything in it. But the great part about the secret recovery phrase is that you can use it to use your wallet on any new device that you want. So once you've written it down or taken a screenshot of your secret recovery phrase, continue. Now I will show you how to buy Solana and get it into your wallet. The best website for a beginner to buy Solana is going to be coinbase.com. If you have an account, go ahead and log in now. If you don't have one, go ahead and create a coinbase.com account. Once you're on the homepage, go to the top and search for Solana. If you go over to the right-hand side, this is where we'll buy Solana. Where it says pay with, you're going to want to click here and make sure you have your debit card or credit card added. When you buy with a debit card, you get instant access to your Solana. So that's what I'll be doing. If you want to pay with your bank account, you won't have access to your Solana for a few days. So if you want to trade Solana today, make sure to use a debit card. Once you're ready to buy, you can actually buy a dollar amount, so say $100, or you can actually buy a certain amount of SOL, so say 1 SOL, and it will show you the amount in US dollars. So I'm going to buy 1 SOL now. I go ahead and I review my order once I'm ready. And you'll see here that there is a fee on Coinbase, but if you buy from any other centralized exchange, there will be a similar fee. And you can see the price is updating in real time. So Coinbase will charge me for the cost of 1 SOL plus their fee, and that will be my total. And I'll go ahead and I'll buy now. So my order was submitted, and in a few minutes it will clear, and the Solana will be in my Coinbase account. Now I will show you how to get your Solana that you just bought on Coinbase and withdraw it to your Phantom Wallet. On Coinbase.com, go back up to the top right-hand corner and click Transfer, Send Crypto, and now you'll want to open up your Phantom Wallet. And click Receive. And then make sure to copy your Solana address. Do not copy anything else that you might see in here. Make sure it's copied. Go back to Coinbase, and when it says select recipient, put the address you just copied. And go ahead and click it to confirm. And I'm going to send all the Solana I just bought. So 1 Solana. Click preview send. This will cost me 2 cents to send, which is pretty normal. And it will transfer just about instantly here. Click send now. And sometimes you'll have to confirm with a text message to your phone number. And once you've verified with the code sent to your phone, it'll give you the confirmation. And notice here that I did not get a full SOL just because of the 2 cent network fee. Click done. And if we check our account now, we now have 1 SOL in there. That was pretty easy, right? So inside the Phantom Wallet, there's a few other features. This is where I'll show all the coins that you currently have in your wallet. On this tab, you can manage all your NFTs. On this tab is where you can send your Solana or other coins that you might have in your account. On this tab, it'll just show your recent activity. So when you buy or sell coins. And on this last tab, it's a bit of a marketplace or app store for Phantom. So it'll show you all the different websites that Phantom will work on. And the last thing I'll show you is that if you go up to the top here, click settings, go to your account, you can actually rename your account here. And you can also pick a new photo for your account too. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use the Phantom wallet. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.